Facebook, YouTube. It's Rich with Mountain View Carpet Cleaning, doing a house here out in Felida. We got some pet urine problems. A power scrub, work the product down into the backing. Really nice carpet here. You see all the stuff, the CRB, that's a CRB, counter rotating brush, is digging all this out of the fibers. Pushing that down, see all that? And this type of carpet, you always want to go with the grain. It's got like a grain to it. You see how they go this way? You always want to go with the grain on this type of carpet. So all this is pet urine here. See that yellowing right there? Pet urine. We already black lighted this. Put the product on there, formulated for urine. Look at that. This works it down into the fiber. Big house. We'll power scrub this. Probably let this sit for 15-20 minutes, let the product do its job. We're gonna come in here and steam extract the carpet. See all that hair? Look vacuum all this. Soothing. Looking better already, but we all know that ain't clean. That's an appearance clean. That's Chem Dry. Low moisture cleaning. They would call it 1 hour dry time. Your vacuum's just going to magically vacuum it up after the end of the job or the next day or whatever. It just don't work that way. Right, Dakota?
Right.
Does it work that way?
No.
What do you got to do? What do you got to do next?
Hot water extraction.
Hot water extraction. Oh, I think the key word is extraction. We're going to extract. Nice. See how he's going with the grain? All right, we'll be back. Part 2. Okay, folks, part 2. We're back. This stuff's actually been sitting here about 45 minutes. This is the one where they had a lot of the urine, so I wanted that product to sit down there and work. What we're doing now is we are steam extracting, sanitizing. You see it's 260 degrees, all the steam, see all the steam up in the air. It's really hot. This machine here gets 260 degrees and it stays 260 degrees. You want heat, it sanitizes, cleans better. So what we're doing is just flushing all that product out of there. This steam line has a neutralizer in it too, so one more product keeps the carpet soft. Rinses out all your pre-spray. Neutral cleaner. Okay, so that is it. This is part 2. See the some of that hair that CRB dug out of the carpet. Ton of suction. Oh, one other thing. While we're here, a lot of these machines overwet the carpet, and you get up to like where that wood is there and stuff. You don't have a good suction that wood right there will get wet and leach off into the carpet. Same with these baseboards. This is probably close to $1 million home, but those baseboards are all MDF, and you overwet them, they will swell up like a sponge. You better have good equipment. Another area here. See how that hair is scrubbed up? So this area here, this is a true hardwood floor. This has a stain on it. And what happens if you overwet it and that stays wet too long, this stain will leach into that carpet there. So, yeah. All right, part 3 coming your way. All right, this is the last step in carpet cleaning is you groom the carpet, you rake it out. Lays the nap, gets a nap, sets a nap. You can see this side was groomed, this side not groomed. You see this backgammon look? Amateur, professional, amateur, professional, amateur, professional, amateur. You got it, folks. Mountain View carpet cleaning. If it ain't steaming, it ain't cleaning. Beautiful.